Good morning, students of class 9. Today I am going to discuss a short story, Packing, which was written by Jerome K. Jerome. Jerome K. Jerome was an English writer. He wrote many stories, novels, essays, etc. So the packing was taken from his novel Three Men in a Boat. Now I am going to discuss the essay Packing. The first point is the writer offered to pack and his friends relax. Here, the writer took pride in his packing, so he offered to pack the things himself. To this, his friends, George and Harish, agreed. They stayed aside and began to smoke. Students, the writer had two friends, and their names were George and Harish. The second point is the writer was annoyed when his friends took his words literally and stayed away from work. Here means the writer actually intended to supervise the work of George and Harish while they would pack. But when he was irritated, his friend took his words literally and left him to pack the things all by himself. The third point is the writer remembers his experience of a man who enjoyed seeing others at work, himself remaining idle. Here, the writer once lived with a man who used to sit lazily on a sofa and watch him working for hours. The man even said to watch George working really did him good. It made him feel that life was full of action. He expressed his wonder in not having these delights of seeing somebody at work before he met the writer. The next point is the nature of the writer would not allow him to remain idle while others are at work. The writer did not like to sit idle and watch while somebody was working. He would like to move about and instruct the man at work. However, he accepted the situation and started packing. After a long time, he finished his work and strapped the bag. Students, you notice the point. After a long time, he finished his work and strapped the bag. The next point is the writer forgot to pack the boots and then wondered if he had packed his toothbrush. Now I am discussing the point. After the bag was shut, Harish pointed out that the boots were not put inside. So the bag had to be opened again. George laughed at the discomfiture of the writer. The writer opened the bag and put the boots in it. Then he wondered if he had packed his toothbrush. This was a thing that always troubled him during traveling. He first packed it and again in the morning needed to take it out of the bag. And after use, he completely forgot about it. And when he remembered of it, he had no time to pack it. So, dear students, here on questions, the episode of toothbrush, a very important questions. The next point is the toothbrush was found inside a boot. The toothbrush was found inside a boot. The writer took out the things from the bag in a disorderly manner in search of his toothbrush. He found George and Harish 18 times during the search and ultimately found his own inside a boot. Then he repacked the bag. The next point is, as it was already 10:05 p.m., Harish suggested that he and George would do the rest of the packing. Now, here, after the writer had finished packing, George asked if the soap was put in. The writer felt greatly annoyed at it, but to his utter confusion, he found that he had put his tobacco pouch in the bag. He had to open it again, and when he finished, it was 10:05 p.m. Harish now suggested that he and George would do the rest of the packing, and the writer agreed. The next point is, George and Harish started packing by breaking a cup and crushing a tomato. This story is very funny. Here, the writer wrote, and I am discussing the point. As George and Harish started packing, the writer expected to have some fun since both were inept in packing. Soon a cup was broken, then a tomato was crushed by Harish put the strawberry jam on it. The next point is, a great confusion was created with a selling 2 pence worth of butter. George stored on the butter, and as the writer looked at George and Harish, amazingly, they became nervous. They stepped on things and put heavy things on pies and smashed them. They overturned the salt over everything. The butter was taken off George's slipper as it would not get into a kettle. They put it on a chair and Harish sat on it unknowingly. The butter stuck to Harish's back, and the two friends were surprised to see it disappeared. They searched for it in the room and at last just found it and put it in a teapot. So, a questions here come a butter episode, or which is the interesting episode of the story, the packing. Clear? Next, the Monmorency, a pet dog. The Monmorency was a pet dog of the writer. It always got a pleasure in disturbing people at work. It moves about and sat on things to be packed. It brought its cold damp nose near the hand of Harish or George whenever they stretched their hand for everything. It put its legs into the jam, played with the teaspoons and destroyed 3 lemons, taking them for rats. Harish stopped it by beating it with a frying pan. The one questions here coming from the character of Monmorency. Clear? Now the next point is, that is the last point. Harish accused the writer for the dog's mischiefs and finished packing at 12:50, totally exhausted. Here Harish accused the writer for encouraging the dog's misbehavior. But in fact, it was the inborn nature of a dog to be misbehavior. The packing was completed at 12:50. Harish did not bother if anything would be found broken. Now all went to bed totally exhausted. So the total summary, I have totally discussed to you, and some important questions I have suggested you. So first question is, what was the funniest part of the episode of packing by Jerome, Harish and George? The next question is, I rather pride myself on my packing. I rather pride myself on my packing. Discuss. Next question is, my toothbrush is a thing that ... makes my life a misery. This line is quoted. Who is the speaker? Question mark. Describe how the toothbrush make his life a misery. Next question is, describe in your own words the behavior of Montmorency while packing Jerome and his friend. What, according to the writer, is the reason for his behaving like that? So, dear students, you understand the questions. And the last question is, how was the bottle lost and found during the packing by George and Harish? Okay, dear students, if any problem, you call me, or any inquiry or any doubt, anytime phone me, or any questions, so write to my WhatsApp number. Thank you all.